Who's the best new YouTuber? Yeah. What's that?
What's up guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. I know it's been a little while. I've got a new girlfriend and we are adapting to a new way of life. I'm living in this apartment alone now. My previous partner has left and moved out, so I had to deal with that among coronavirus and starting a new relationship with my new girlfriend Carolyn. Guys, I'm very happy, and I'm also very happy because I just got these Galaxy Buds Plus, and I've got to say guys, is that what they're called? Galaxy Buds Plus? It just doesn't sound right. Okay. So yeah, guys, these are the Galaxy Buds, and this is the Plus version, so version 2, or whatever you want to call it. Galaxy Buds, not my favorite name, but whatever, I'm not going to get into that. We're going to do a quick unboxing of this bad Larry, and then I'm going to give you my opinion, guys. I've already used these for about 3 weeks, and I've got to say I am very impressed, but we're going to go over a few things about these headphones that I like, and maybe a few things that I don't like. Okay guys, let's get down into the unboxing. I'll be back in a sec to tell you how I feel about these new Galaxy Buds Plus. Do a quick unboxing right here in the sunlight of the Galaxy Buds Plus. These are the second generation from Samsung, and I'm pretty excited to try these out because they have an 11-hour playback time with one charge in this case, and I believe you can charge these a few times with this wireless charging case. You can reverse wireless charge it with the Samsung Galaxy S20, and a lot of cool other things going on with these headphones. So like Galaxy Buds Plus, okay? So noise canceling, wireless charging, and 3 mics for dynamic sound. Let's open this bad Larry up. Okay, so inside the box we've got a little white box here. Looks like it might have some accessories in it, and we've got this right here. Nothing else in the box, guys. Very simple unboxing here. So there is a little piece of paper here. We can undo that like so. We've got right here on the top, it says Samsung by AKG. And right on the back here, you've got your input for USB-C. There's also an LED indicator light to let you know whether they're fully charged. And as soon as you open the box, you're greeted with that little light. And we've got left and right. They're both clearly labeled. And looks like they snap right into place here. Okay, so each bud has a little metal thing right there, and that's how they're going to charge. And the case just closes. It does not lock. And we've got the left and right clearly indicated. First looking at them, they look very sleek. I love the look here. It also has a little thing to help it stay stuck in your ear. Let's try it on. Wow, those are nice, and they're not coming out, guys. Those look pretty cool. It's a very tiny little case. It fits right into your hands like so. Okay, so inside the box we have a nice long USB-C cable. Looks of pretty high quality. Fantastic. It's about 3 feet long. Nice and thick. And it's a USB-A to USB-C. Perfect. And then inside the box it kind of pulls out, and you've got some replacement tips as well as some little bands. If you can change the little bands on the headset itself in case you don't like the ones that it comes with. So yeah, it looks like as usual, guys, they give you the medium size already installed. So those are going to pretty much fit anyone. But if they don't, they give you the extra ones there, and that's pretty great. So guys, what I'm going to do is charge these bad Larrys up. You can plug this into any USB slot and then charge these up, and the indicator light should be green once they're fully charged. So I'll be back with you guys very shortly to tell you my experiences with them. Okay guys, so I've been using these Galaxy Buds Plus for the past 2 or 3 weeks, and I've got to say they are amazing. They charge really fast, and they use USB-C, which is pretty amazing. I like all my gadgets to use USB-C. I'm tired of micro USB. It's so 3, 4, 5 years ago. We need everything to be USB-C now. You can actually wirelessly charge these bad boys, which I think is pretty amazing, guys. And they're really, really, really good looking headphones. Very sleek design here. It's magnetic in the case, so they will just stick and charge. And you've got a little indication light there. It doesn't really tell you much. What you're going to need to do is download the Galaxy Wearables app, and that's going to allow you to connect to these as well as your Galaxy Watch if you have it. And I've got to say the app functionality is pretty great. I do wish there was some kind of screen on here or some other than that blinking indicator light, because sometimes it's a little confusing because the 2 wireless buds are independent of each other, so they both have to be connected to your phone. And when you take one off and put it in the case, that one shuts off and charges, and you can keep one in your ear at a time, which I think is pretty clutch, guys. Because I gotta say, I've been getting about 7 to 8 hours of these heavy usage, audio all day long, taking some phone calls, reading text messages out loud to me. And I've gotta say, I love the ambient noise feature. I turn that on while I'm working so I can be aware of my surroundings, and I can also somewhat participate in conversations. I've actually noticed that it's easier for me to just take one out and I can be more in tune with the conversation. I've gotta say, the ambient perk feature, or whatever it is pretty freaking amazing, guys. I love using these headphones. It's really freeing. I was used to those neckband headphones, and I've got to say, these are so much better. What I did end up having to do was actually change the style of the bud and the band around here. I found that it was hurting my ear and it was not going away. Now, they did stay in my ear better when I was using the ones that they came with, but these ones, I've got the completely flat one and the smallest one, and they go in, and for the most part, they're not coming out. I mean, after a little while, I've got to push it back in, and I do find myself doing that a lot. But this is what they're going to look like, guys, and I do think they're pretty sleek. You've got some touch functionalities that will play and pause, and then I have it set up to actually turn on ambient noise if I press and hold it like this. And now, I can hear my voice very clear, but when you're actually outside or actually having conversations with people in the city, it is a little bit distracting and hard to hear. So what I like to do is actually turn on ambient noise and just pop one bud out for a second, and then I can have a normal conversation, guys. Now, the audio quality of these are excellent. They have not blown me away with the bass or anything like that. If you go on the Gear app, you can actually change some of the EQ settings. I have messed around with those a little bit. The sounds of these are very crisp and very nice. I'm no audiophile, guys, but these headphones are probably the best sounding earbuds I've ever heard in my life, number one. Number two, they're very sleek and comfortable looking, and they charge really fast. One time I didn't have a charger on me, and what I ended up doing was reverse charging from my Galaxy S20. That's kind of a niche feature in my opinion. You won't really use that often, but I did use it once, guys, and it worked amazing, guys. So I've got to say, this paired up with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, this is my new favorite pair, guys. Every day at work, I've got my watch, I've got my earbuds. I don't even really need the watch that much because these will read your text messages out loud to you. I did like the LG app a little better because the way it read the text messages. I can use my Google Assistant right there anytime I want to send text messages or check anything on my phone. So I've got to say, I've really been loving using these. Sound quality is pretty good. Battery life, I'm not getting the 11 hours, but I'm also streaming music all day long. So if I were to test these in standby mode, I'm sure I would get the full battery life, but I'm talking about heavy use, guys. All day on the road I'm using these, and I usually work about 10 to 12 hours. So what happens about the 10-hour mark is I'm on my way back in the truck, and I can put these in for 3 minutes each. I don't even have to stop listening. I can take one out, put it in the case, it charges for 3 minutes, and then I switch it and put this one in for 3 minutes, and then it lasts throughout the rest of the day at work. And I've had no problems with that at all, guys. I think you can charge these fully twice with this case right here, and being that it's USB-C, it's just very useful. It's very convenient that it uses the same charger as your phone, guys. If you do have a Samsung Galaxy phone, guys, I think these are pretty much the best headphones you can use. As for wireless ones, there are a lot of other big choices out there like Bose, Apple Pods, Google has their own. Everyone has their own. I got these for $139. I've got to say, I do think they are worth the price. Also, fitting in the air, they can be a bit uncomfortable. The way I have it in now is the most comfortable, but it's not the most sturdy. They are able to fall out. I have dropped these a number of times, and I have not seen any damage. So basically, my only nitpicks about this device are going to be the size of the earbuds and the fact that if you lose them, you're screwed. But if you do drop them and a car runs them over, they're crushed and gone, and you'll probably never find them. But as for convenience, guys, these are the sleekest headphones that I've used. They're probably comparable to the Apple Pods or whatever you call them, the EarPods that Apple has. And I do like the looks of these a lot better. They're a lot more sleeker, and I'm an Android guy anyways. So guys, it's really hot in here, but I wanted to bring you this video. And if this is your first time here, guys, hit that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell. So I gotta say, guys, big ups to Samsung. These headphones, I'm really enjoying using them, and I really don't have any complaints about them, except that they fall out of my ear sometimes, and the battery life could be a little better, but I do love the compact design, and I'm sacrificing a little bit of that battery life that I would get with like the neckband headphones. I'm sacrificing that in order to use these smaller earbuds, and I'm a lot more comfortable at work. I've got nothing on my neck, and it's less obtrusive if you have to talk to customers or people all day like I do. So guys, I'm really enjoying using these headphones. Definitely follow along. If I do have any problems, I'll drop it down in the comments below, or I'll make a follow-up video. Guys, let me know what your favorite headphones are. Drop them down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. And also, if you have these, drop your comments down below on how you feel about them. Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and until next week, I'm out. Peace.